Thank you so much.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Namaste.
It's a beautiful and sunny day. Today we are in a park, very green park here. It's known as Mushrif Park, and we have come here with our friends and family to do some picnic. It's like a dry picnic, but of course we will do some barbecue as well.
Yes.
So we will share this video with you. Stay tuned and enjoy.
I guess we are the first one to reach the place. Our friends are coming over. So this is the place, guys. We'll be doing barbecue here. They are looking for some other good place if we can find. If not, we'll be sitting in the same area. Guys, we have changed the venue. Now we have come back to the green area because of the little babies which we've got. Nami! Hello! Ah! Hi, where are the babies? Babies are there. Okay, let's reveal the surprise, guys.
It's already written on the muffin.
Oh yeah. No, apart from that, the rest will be surprise. It's fried rice.
Fried rice.
Made by whom?
Made by mommy.
Okay. What did you cook?
I cook aloo achar. Aloo ko achar.
Okay. You'll
And
see that
barbecue
shortly.
ko marination I did.
Okay. Who bought this?
Obviously.
Okay. This is made by Mr. Jonah, the one who's sitting on the chair.
Dachi.
Who made this, Dashi?
Auntie.
Wow.
This is made by Nomi.
This is made by Mr. Dhiren. Nomi. Nomi, what are you eating? Didi, just reveal others also.
Okay, that's open. This is also fried rice made by Nilam.
Oh, okay. A lot of fried rice.
Yeah. What is this? Everyone bought rice.
What is this? I think this is salad made by Mr. Sadip. Oh, this is fish, dry fish made by Sadip.
Okay. What is this?
This is salad, I think. Ooh, expression. What did you make?
This and this.
Oh, okay, yes. This is our special Bhutanese achar. Pickle. Mulaka achar made by
Dipenda.
Oh. We will taste and we will give you the review. Sunil Dada, what did you cook?
Sunil came.
Really, you
Last
cooked?
aloo ko achar.
You made the. Oh, yes.
Aloo ko achar made by me.
That's why.
And there is sweet. Huh? Who made that? Made by Haldiram.
Made by Okay, so we will eat shortly and then we'll keep you posted on the video. He's laughing. Famous, say hi. Matar paneer. Who made this?
Seems like butter paneer.
यो पनि प्रसिले बनाएको
This is pasta.
Matar paneer is made by Mr. Prasil.
Specialist.
Oh, wow. Who is Italian in our group?
The only Italian master.
Italian. Can you please talk in Italian language again? Surinda, how's the food?
Delicious.
Delicious. Prasilda, how's the food?
Food was amazing. Tata too.
Which one did you like the most?
Obviously, I'm Gorky, so I like Gorky achar.
Good answer. Dipesh, how's the food? Niku, tell me which one did you like the most?
The most, I think I like the matar paneer. It's really nice.
Matar paneer.
It reminds me of our Dasai time.
Yeah, made by Prasilda. 1 point to Prasilda. Neelam Didi, our K-pop fan. Please, K-pop fan. Please tell me.
I don't want to be biased, so the food was awesome.
Overall,
Overall.
very smart answer. Bauju, how was the food?
Yummy, awesome.
Which one did you like the most?
Malai.
I think for Naomi is pasta. So for you?
Same. Pasta man paryo. Pasta and the fish.
Naomi, say hi.
Hello. Hello. Kajito. Wash your hands. What dekhai diyo na? Wash your hands. Boyo, na
Auntie, how's the food, Auntie?
एकदम दामी भेजको रहेछ मिठो
कुन चाहिँ मिठो लाग्यो
सबै मिठो लाग्यो
सबै आन्टीलाई कुन चाहिँ मिठो लाग्यो आन्टी सबै आन्टी barbecue is coming, auntie. Please keep space for barbecue also. Dada, did you eat already?
Not yet.
Okay, so I'll ask you after some time.
Alright.
Which one did you like the most?
Italian pasta with an Indian twist.
Is it an honest answer?
Very honest. The chefs are here, so you can talk to the chef.
I think the best dish goes to pasta today because everyone's vote is for pasta. 3 people are making barbecue. How's the barbecue going on?
Barbecue is awesome, but the sun is the light is about to go down.
Yeah.
It's almost gone.
Who made this barbecue? I think I heard it's Divas.
No, I think Niku.
Marinated by Niku. Of course, we did the shopping yesterday evening.
Oh yes, yes.
And-
All thanks to you guys.
It's going to be finished by Pradeep and Daniel.
Daniel,
Yes.
did you eat something?
Yeah, I already finished.
So what did you like the most?
What to say? Nothing.
You did nothing. You didn't like anything.
Yeah,
Bhutan says you like the
Yeah.
most.
that was fantastic.
It reminded you of Bhutan.
Yeah, it reminded me of my ex-Bhutanese girl.
Remind me of ex-Bhutanese girl. Daniel was dating a lot of Bhutanese girl before he came to Dubai.
Not lot, huh? Only one.
Okay, we'll try the barbecue after some time.
The most shy person on the entire world. The guy who is also known for famous pouting. And let me zoom in a little bit. And that's our latest father. Means like, he's been father very recently. He's doing baby shot. Okay, and that's a family. Beautiful park over here. It's called Mushrif Park. Okay, the food is still young. The night is still young.
The night is still young.
The food is still young. Okay, but the corn looks little sad because nobody has eaten it. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So, Sadiq, your plate looks like a 3 Idiots. That 3 Idiots, that scene, like, you know, when three guys goes over there.
This is my lunch.
This is your lunch. Okay.
Okay, the picnic is over, so we are going back now. Bye bye. Bye. Bye guys. See you next time. Until then, stay safe.
Stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay happy.
Stay away from Corona, most important.